In life, there are no...
Jeez. My God. So there's an order at 50s and above here, 6250s. I don't like this fucking platform, man. This platform's fucking ass. Platform is ass, bro. Like, how do you like, there's no way to adjust the settings on this shit. I think we should be good if we don't break below that. Should still be climbing here. Might do some close it to reduce some risk. I just closed one order so that I reduce risk there. I'm gonna re-add in here. $35 points. So 530s to 570s is 35 points here. Should just be enough. $700 up here. Oh, okay. There it is. Morning. Good morning, Nico. How are you? I'm alright, man. I'm alright. You know, I'm just learning how to bounce back here, basically. Learning how to bounce back. I came to a realization that like I'm not a terrible trader, man. It's just I think I had the right ideas and everything. It's just the amount of size that I had on those trades was too much, you know, way too much. And basically, I'm just going back to the basics now. I just have to yeah. So I got two daytraders.com accounts for $11 each, and the activation fees are like $130. And then I got one Top Step account for 50K, so I spent about 49 plus the $22, so about like $72, about $72 or so for three accounts. And yeah, so my goal is to once I actually achieve my funded account and everything, I'm gonna size down. That's it, bro. I'm just gonna size down. I can't give myself so many excuses to ruin my career because it's like I keep going through that same process, right? Like it's ridiculous, man. I just can't do that anymore. So I gotta really tone it down. I gotta really size down on my trades. Um, I gotta basically cut back, right? I gotta cut back. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut back. I'm gonna trade less, and I'm just gonna look for proper fundamental levels with right risk to rewards and everything. Yeah, and honestly, 1 to 3 micros. Kudos to you, man. That like you're probably gonna get a really decent payout as long as you're just staying with like the right size, because realistically, like if you use the incorrect type of size, you're gonna blow up. That's just all there is to it. Because the market is going to abuse your positions, right? Whatever positions that you have, they're gonna somehow take you out, and then after taking you out, then they'll move to the direction of the trade that you want to go for. And that's what happened yesterday, man. Like I basically got taken out right before the market moved, and you saw that too, right? We had like a perfect fair value gap play here. Actually, this was a fair value gap, right? I had my stop loss here, but I got scared because I had too much size, right? I had 10 micros here, and basically I had too much size, and I stopped myself out early, and then basically that's the reason why I blew up, is because I just had too much size, man, way too much size, and because of the size, I jumped out early, and then over here, same idea. I had another long, and then basically it broke my it just like hit up my threshold, and then it just ran to the upside, and that's all there was to it. It's just because I oversized. It wasn't because I was a bad trader or anything. It's just I oversized and I took the blunt end of it. I took the blunt end of the stick and everything based on that, right? So this time around, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go for like um, proper trades and everything, proper risk reward, right? So I'm risking about uh, I was risking about $415. I want to make at least more than that, at least $500 on this trade, right, for it to work out. So that's what I was doing. So $410. I need to make at least $410 here on this trade. Right now, the momentum is pretty good. 13 moving average breakout. Market's been churning higher since 5 a.m. So there's a possibility that we retrace one of these levels here at this resistance. And this is exactly where I think we're going to end up in the next probably 30 minutes or so. So I'm risking a good amount here. So I'm just waiting right now for the market to open and then push higher. The 45-minute chart looks really good too. 45-minute chart is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green bars, and we're just moving straight up. We're not closing below that anytime soon. So right when the market opens, we should have about 15 minutes of movement here. 15 minutes. I'm expecting it to break out here because we've been breaking out this entire night here. So right on open, we should get a pull down and a push back up here. Yep. Pull down and then a push back up. I think 565s here would be ideal. Yeah, 565s. On the 45-minute chart, we have no gaps until 580s. So maybe even 580s here. And I'm gonna try to keep my risk to reward. Even if I take a loss in this trade, it's just I'm following my plan here, so. There's the 13 moving average retest. Here's the key level here on this candle. Just need to break above that key level and we should be good. But how are you doing, Nico? How are you doing? just coming back in to retest here. All right. Looks like I'm in a winning trade. I'm going to add to my position when we break the highs here. When we break this high. 553s is my goal. So if we break 553s here, I'm going to add to my position. That's good, man. Nice. Just gonna say hello, basically. What are you guys eating? Sandwich or something, or dinner? Alright, that's the little gap fill. Does look like sellers are winning right now, but I will see in a second here. And that's okay. I do want to see them retrace this and push back up here. That was a retest of the gap. There is no gaps to the downside except for this level here. So, alright, I'm going to get stopped out here. Probably. I'm going to look for the break above this level if I can. I'm still looking at that. Cereal? That's like for breakfast though. The fuck? Yeah, cereal's nice, man. I actually never tired of cereal. Will never be tired of cereal. That was a good retest. We have about 17 minutes left here. We could still break out. That was just a retest in my opinion. Yeah. I'm going to add to my position here too if it does push higher. We got an engulfing candle sort of here. On this 1 minute. Woke up 30 minutes ago. Damn, dude. That's so late. I just woke up like not even a little bit ago. Yeah, like wow. Should crack the highs here. See that? Man, like wild that I didn't get stopped out there, eh? That's crazy to me. So, adding to my winning position here. All right, and I should aim for 1500s at least here, the 80s. All right. Another pullback. Okay. Nice candle there. It's a hammer on the 1 minute. Still good retrace value. Could come back here to retrace this level here and then push back higher. So we'll see. But I think buyers are going to win here. That's my expectation for buyers to break out of this candle here. We already broke out of the high and grabbed all the short sellers. All the short sellers try to push here. Hence why the volume is a little bit high, right? But I will jump out if this trade goes against me really quickly. So far it's not. It's going in the direction of the trade that I want. We have a level at 600s as well, so I'm just going to keep that on open. Market's been fairly bullish lately. We could retrace this whole move here to 680s. So I want to be a little bit more bullish here. Here's the breakout. And I want to see a continuation now outside of this breakout. Continue higher. All right. I'm going to take one off there. And yeah, I think there's some resistance here. So I'm going to wait for the pullback here. Unless that was a fake breakout again. Whatever. It is what it is. So I want to jump in some longs here on this account. Let's see. Maybe down here. Yeah. Bookmap says we have an order on 75s that just got filled. No, they didn't get filled. 75s has an order, and then there's 600 and 612. And then it's super thin to the downside. So it kind of does feel like it's going to go higher, right? Because we got more orders to the upside. I am just going to follow the order flow at the end of it. So I'm expecting a pullback maybe into this. And then I'm going to jump in one. Put a stop at the low of this candle here. If I can. It is kind of more choppy today too. So maybe like, I can jump in earlier expecting more chop, right? It's the morning session too. So it's like, I don't want to get trapped. We have news as well. Oh yeah, right. So fair value gaps have low probability based on news usually. So we have a lot of news actually right now. A lot of headlines. We got ISM PMIs. We already got PMI come out at 9:45. Well, actually, it's coming out in 7 minutes. Yeah, but I think this is likely to break out for some reason. It just feels like it to me. So I'm gonna create an order here. I'm gonna take a long. Just try it out here. To 87s maybe. Some 65s to 85s. I want to see it break. We broke above the wicks here, which is a good thing. I want to see it push into the 87s here. Right above 87s, and then try to bait out the 600s. 600s, I don't think 600s is going to hit. But I know 87s will hit for sure. A little bit more of a push here. Straight up, touch it, and then turn around 85s, 87s. '87s. I will look to cancel this order now, because I think we're going to go higher. Right past 87s. I like that candle. Yeah, it's rejecting 87s. Alright, I'm out. Yeah, I should have actually took that order. F, eh? Big F. I'll be back. Alright, I don't know. Let's see. I don't like how this looks, Like how they made this chart and crap, it just looks terrible. Like seriously. what do I even what do I even do? It's like it says executions. I don't see the executions. Like, what the hell? Okay, 13 moving average. We came back in to retest here, and they failed to. I'm jumping in longs again. Gonna try to see if I can get a breakout here of the 90s. Nice push over the wick here, maybe into the 90s. Probably 600s, I'd say. Let's go in 600s now. I'd say like 97s here. Could pull back into this too. But we just bounced off of this key here a little bit. If I'm wrong, I'll jump out though. So I'm going to see another retest here. That don't look good. That's an engulfing candle. It's coming back up. Just closed inside of it. So it looks like they bounced off that key. Yeah, we got a little tight wedge here in play. Nice one. If we break above this, I'll buy. I'll look to buy, maybe. Okay. I'm in some buys here. I want to go for a second one. Yeah. I want to see it push right into my equity. Should push, shoot right above that. Maybe 590s here. Little breakout, 1 minute breakout. Should be a quick one, quick retrace into the wicks here. Bookmap still has an order on 600s. This is just a regular pullback, maybe. I don't know. Bro, like, little pullback here. We closed outside of the range. So I'm gonna try to be patient here. La 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 la. La 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 la, show me the buyers. Right above it. Come on. See, look at the leg on that, eh? On the order book here. Showing me a little bit of Alright. That's it for me. And that's it. Past the I already hit 50% of the profits on this account for this demo, so, or this evaluation. They have a 50% consistency rule, so I don't want to make more than that. And this one right here, I am going to try to enter longs on this wick here because why the fuck not, right? Why the hell not? So I'm going from 75s looking for 600s as my target here, considering the fact that we have an order sitting right there. This is going from 75 entry, going to get out for a $500 profit. It's my goal here on this trade. So this one should be more of a breakout here on this 1 minute wick pullback. want to see it push right past this fair value gap at least once. We did close with a bigger candle on the 45-minute chart, so it's I think the probability of a big pullback is very small, like very low, right? The 45-minute chart is clearly printing green for every candle, so but who knows? Let's see how big this pullback is. Could be another entry right here. And I'm in it. Second one. Okay. I don't think the pullback is going to happen here. 45-minute candles are super strong right now. So I think we're going to come back up to 590s here potentially. Market's been showing a lot of bull traps lately, so. Come on. 70s to 95s maybe. There it is. And then I just want to see it push here right into the 90s zone. Right into 90s. Okay. Should be a 90s push here. You see how it's riding the 13 moving average? I like that, you know? Right from 80s to 90s here. 90s. Right into the 90s here. Right there. I could probably pull it back a little bit more because notice that the order is done at 789s here. Let me push it right into it. Push right into it. Come on, buddy. Nice little breakout there in the 90s here. Okay, I closed up my orders there. I have no open orders, right? Check orders. What the hell is wrong with my computer today, man? What the hell is wrong with my computer today? They need to work on this a little bit, honestly. Like, what the hell is going on with them? What the hell is going on here? Okay, so I think the biggest one for me is Let's see. Buy one limit here. Create. Just the status is all I need, really. Status. All right, so we got a nice rejection of the highs. So this is a nice sell. Could potentially come down here. Clear rejection on the 45-minute chart. Nice breakout with the divergence as well on the 45-minute chart. So today is easy, actually. Let me see what's up. What's going on with my buddy? Yo. I'm alright.
What the fuck is traders.com?
Daytraders.com. Yeah, it's
Is that a prop?
Yeah, it's a prop that Patrick was referring. Yeah, bro. I took advantage of it. Why not?
Bro, because it's $11. Like, you're not gonna get paid.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna actually when I get these accounts funded, I'm gonna like size down 1 micro. 1 to 2 micros. I'm gonna aim for the payout, nothing more. And I'm not gonna overthink it, so the platform's ass though.
What do they use?
So it's I don't know, they created their own web browser, which is so laggy, it's crazy, man. Like I do not recommend it. Like I think it could be a waste of $11 or $130 for the activation fee, but I don't know. So far, I'm kind of liking that. I made some money. So you see the 45-minute chart?
No.
Super green, bro. Super green. There's no gaps downside, bro. On the 45-minute chart, not a single one. Yep.
Damn, Top Step doesn't even have a 45-minute.
Yeah. It's only on TradingView. But
Neither of them have 10-minute though, which is crazy.
yeah, you know what? It's because you need to pay for like for those ones specifically
Yeah.
if you want to use it. And luckily TradingView gives it for free for the 45-minute, but I don't know if they'll ever remove it.
Yeah. Whatever, $26. Maybe pay for it.
Yeah. I'm telling you, man, they don't sell those 45-minute candle ones on purpose, the 10 minutes and the 45 minutes, because they have such high probability. um like it's crazy.
I was shocked though that Top Step didn't have it. They have 15-minute and 5-minute, but not.
Yeah.
Okay.
They don't even have the 45-minute. It's crazy. But yeah, I think this pullback was mandatory.
Yeah, like the overnight.
For Yeah, the overnight,
Like this 5 minute candle.
because they had a big ass fucking gap, right? Like, so.
Yeah.
But you know, right now I'm kind of thinking that um, I don't think we'll pull back, man. I don't think we'll pull back into 450s anytime soon. Cause
Yeah, I kind of thought the gap close was gonna play on the regular hour gap.
the regular hour. Let's see.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like regular.
there's no gaps though on the hourly. Yeah, the only gap is upside. It's from 600s to
Yeah.
625s. Yeah, that's the only
Yeah,
gap. So I think that's gonna play out, bro. I think it'll play out.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you can see on the 45-minute chart too. It's they started off with small candles, but each candle they cut one, two, three, four, five, six candles closed green on the 45-minute already. Yeah, and then the one that we just closed at like 9:45 was a bigger candle, so it closed stronger.
Interesting.
Yeah, so there's a gap right here at 536 that they're probably trying to fill, which is why they pulled back. But after this gap gets filled, it might retest 525s.
I don't know. I kind of. I'm gonna short from 553 right now.
That's good.
Oh, I fucking found 680 last night in the XFA.
What happened?
Just did stupid shit.
Overnight trading?
Yeah, right
Yeah.
in the open.
Yeah,
It's
bro.
just I have no read on the overnight. I really don't know why I do that. And then
Yeah. That's the same for
moves
me,
there.
man. I keep
Yeah, I
doing
gotta
it.
stop doing that.
Yeah, I got
I
like
sit there and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna lock it out till 9 a.m.
that's what I
And then
do. I do that
and then
all
I
the time now.
yeah, I just gotta get better at doing that. I still have $800 left in wiggle room, but I started a new top step combo and because I'm locked out.
Yeah.
Like I didn't move my trade limit and it locked me out on trade limit at like 30 minutes after the market opened at 6.
Of course.
That pissed me off a lot.
Yeah, dude, I'd be pissed off too.
That's fine.
Yeah.
It's for the best. Didn't blow it up, so probably would have. Actually, no. The trade that I was looking for ended up playing out, but who knows what happened. So
You know, what I always do before like the market even opens for like the next day or like 6 p.m. I just lock it out right away till like 9:15.
but you can't. You can only lock it out right at the open, can't you?
No, I think it's like right when the money clears up after 5, you can lock it. Yeah.
Solid.
So I always like honestly like I perform so much better when the market is open versus like overnight. And the last time I blew up my XFAs and all my fucking accounts were overnight, bro. It's so annoying. I'm just so fed up with like my bullshit. You see this strong volume candle?
Yeah, catch up with you up.
Yeah.
Short, and it is not.
It looks bullish, no?
It does,
Yeah.
but that's news. I think you're on news, so
Should be a swing up here on news. That's how I'm feeling here. Maybe like 50% doji, and then afterwards like it pushes higher, but I think we're gonna break higher.
10 o'clock is 7. Okay, brutal. Gap close, perhaps.
Yeah, it is a gap close. You see the 45-minute, right? That candle just flipped fucking red to green so fast.
How are we looking? That was pretty much the gap close. Alright, so that's done. I'm working on. I'm trying to like limit my trade entries. I think I'm gonna stick to 3-bar reversals. Just whether or not it's a reversal or a continuation.
That's a good one. Yeah.
Because like in an uptrend, the bearish 3-bar reversal usually gets run to the upside, and vice versa. So there'll be an element of discretion.
I don't think it will though.
I think it will.
They just tapped over 600s, which is where the liquidity was on the book map. But I think we're gonna fill the upside here completely, man. We're gonna probably hit like 694s today.
694.
Yeah, I think so. Like I'm just looking at it. It just there's look at the momentum on the 45, man. It just keeps going. Yeah. I might even I'm gonna do this because my order is kind of messed up now, so there we go. Done. So yeah. I'm good on both of my tradeday.com, daytrade.com. I'm good on both of these accounts, so this is a regular pullback.
Fucking knew it.
No, it's a regular pullback.
We keep rejecting yesterday's value area low. That's the 4th time. They make a run to the south.
This is a regular pullback. 50 like for 55 to 60 is a little gap there, and they're just gonna fill it, and then they're gonna run it back up probably. This is the fill.
Run back up.
Yeah. Okay, they just filled it. So let's see what they do. Interesting. Oh.
Yeah, that looks like a dope rejection.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah.
Fuck. I didn't hold it. Push through view up.
Yo, did you mention my name or something while we were trading, like while you were on Top Step TV?
No, I was talking to the producer.
Oh.
Like offline.
That's so funny.
We got together, trading in person.
Oh.
Wanted to do like Top Step Canada or something.
Top Step Canada?
I don't know what exactly, but something.
That's funny, man. Okay, this is a big candle now.
Sell is heavy.
This is a big sell candle, bro.
Let's get a bit of a reversal here.
Yeah, it's a big one. I don't even want to go against that.
I'll take it. Grab the knife.
Grab the knife? Yeah. Whoa.
What is that? That's 50 points. That's not that bad.
I am thinking now with this weird shit here. I honestly, man, don't even trade this shit. Daytraders.com. I mean, like, if I get a payout, that's a different story, right? Like, I'm
I probably was not gonna.
Yeah, but I'm done rinsing through accounts, man.
That's the thing. Like, I kind of came to that realization, and I was like, Top Step is just it for me. They're so reliable. Are they the cheapest? No, but I just really enjoy trading on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, platform, everything.
Because you just feel like it's like reliable, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. It's reliable. Like, they provide free resets from time to time. They provide some coaching. It's just kind of pay for what you get in a way, so it's kind of nice.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like Top Step TV, and honestly, the trading platform, like, I do really enjoy Top Step X. It's quite a pleasant experience.
Okay. You see, they're pushing it back up now. They don't want to close this 45-minute candle, bro. Like, they don't want to close it back close. 524s. I'm gonna test out a long here.
I'm in shorts.
And that one. Here it is.
Alright, let's fucking flush it. Oh, that's such a rinse, bro. I had the 3-bar reversal short from 552, but got wicked out on push up on the news there.
I just got a message from Mushi Jia Jiao Peo Zhao 1975 at outlook.com, and then it says Internal Revenue Service, you are eligible to receive a 1400 economic impact payment.
All
Please.
I need is your SIN number and your credit card number.
Okay, I'll do that. I instantly input it in, like press Y, then exit the text message, open it again, click okay, I'm gonna message him back. How do I do that? I'm gonna reply Y. I like your email. Jiao. Zhao. Jiao Zhao.
Jiao.
There you go. I think this guy blocked me right away because like he fucked up. Yeah, it's not even like sending anymore.
Even the scammers don't want to scam you.
Yeah. I think he messed up, that's why. I'm gonna spam his email now, bro. Hell yeah.
DDoS.
Look at this right here, guys. That little fake email. Copy that. I'm gonna put that on Reddit. You see the weakness here. I think it's gonna pull back into 560s at least first before it runs downside.
I wonder if we get into yesterday's low.
They're bouncing off the 105 moving average and the 13 moving average too on the 15-minute chart. Yeah.
I mean, higher time frame is very bullish. Like the daily is above the 20, the 50, the 100, and the 200.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
4 hours above the 50, the 100, and the 200.
I'm gonna copy this email and keep it in my notes.
I think they maybe try to run it down to yesterday's regular hour low at like 404.
Like a sweep. On the book map, there's nothing there though. There's like no orders on the book map. Except for 450s, but we have way more like liquidity upside. It's thinner on the upside though, overall.
That's the thing.
Yeah.
When they run it up pre-market, it's usually like a trap.
Yeah. I mean, like, that does look like a trap. Because there's a lot of buyers in that. But look at how these last two candles were in the volume for the sell side. These two candles are bigger than the buy candles, so that means that they just loaded up long shorts on this. On these two candles. Yeah, there's a really big order on the sell candles right now.
Well, they're getting paid, and it looks kind of like a wedge, like a rising wedge.
Yeah.
In the overnight.
But I don't know if they're gonna get paid though, because this from 500s to 525s, it needs to break that for them to get paid.
True.
Yeah, which it does look like it's about to break, but maybe it's better not to overthink this one. Actually, maybe this one actually is a short trend.
RSI is weak, like it's weak. There's weakness, and the market was kind of overbought. Like,
yeah,
I have this indicator on TradingView that shows you the 4-hour, the daily, and the weekly, and where it is in relation to the 20, the 50, and the 100, and the 200.
Yeah.
Everything is green.
Yeah.
Which is like, that's a buy signal for a long-term swing, and they might just try and fuck them up.
Maybe they'll just hit all the stop losses.
Yeah. And if somebody took like the opening range trade yesterday, they would have been in the money all day.
Yeah.
And all night.
Yeah, they're still in, like, technically we're in a long trend too, still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it makes sense to run long stops if there's the juice to get it down there. Might not be. But...
Yeah. I doubt these guys though. I think they're gonna these sellers are gonna get squished first, maybe around 560s, 570s before selling off.
Maybe.
Yeah, this is kind of looking like a double bottom now. So 560s, 570s.
I don't know. There's weakness. We're below the VWAP.
There's a pivot point right on 536 on 3-minute chart. But I don't know, man. We're bouncing right off the 45-minute fair value gap. And then they close this chart, this candle at 10:30. So we got about 16 minutes. But if they engulf this, the open price of this candle is at 570.
Interesting. We did also just get a bounce off of hourly consolidation area from the third 2 days ago.
They just bounced off of it like a support.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not loving that.
My fucking meme coins went to 0.
Can't say I am surprised.
We'll see what happens. I still got my 2.31 million. As long as I don't sell, I don't lose.
It's not over till I fucking say it's over.
Yeah. Wow. 15-minute. Nice, like a strong close on the 15-minute.
You did just get a 3-bar reversal on the 5-minute.
5-minute.
In an uptrend with double bottom on the RSI.
Okay. This trend looks familiar to me. So we might chop for a little bit, and the support is 515s, and then the resistance is like 560s to 570s, and then that's like the chopping range. There is a level at 490s as well. So rejection right off 560s, right? See what I mean? Shit, eh?
It's weak, man. It's weak.
Definitely can't underestimate the weak ones like this. Yeah, but I think I might buy here. It's gonna let's see 5 minute. Nah, this is kind of looking really bearish.
I think they run the lows there.
Yeah, I think it might. Or it bounces right here. Yeah. It's looking like the fair value gap fucking ICT shit now. Yeah. Dead ass, like
Dead ass, bro.
dead ass, yeah.
Delta looks heavy. Can we get a quick dumperoonie here?
There's quite a few key levels on this little area where we're bouncing, so might be bears and buyers trying to fight for the direction. Right? We're in the middle of a pivot zone for like multiple key levels. Like almost yeah, so this might be like this could actually wash under and then come back up really quickly because they're fighting. Yeah.
I don't like this short, like it looks heavy.
Oh, yo, my cat video went viral, bro. It went viral, man.
Nice. How many views you get?
I got 360 views and 15 likes.
Nice. Viral life.
Viral, bro. It was a good cat video. It was a good one. People love cats, man.
Dude, love cats.
Like I might open a YouTube channel to do monetizations for that shit. Apparently, like real estate agents as well as like finance gurus on YouTube, like they make really high CCPM cost per minute, basically. Yeah, really high CPMs.
Nice.
Yeah, so that means that like if you get like let's say like 50,000 views or something like that, you can get paid like a fucking $1,000 from just that alone.
Wow.
Yeah, off of monetizations once you have enough subscribers and everything. Like I was looking at like a person that had like 35,000 subscribers, and like these people are posting on YouTube and everything how much they earned on a month-to-month basis, and it's like for a 250,000 viewed video, they made like $2,500 for the month or some shit. Or
Wow.
yeah, it's ridiculous actually, man. That a person that only has 38K subscribers is making 2.5 to 3,000 US dollars a month.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah. And that's in finance, right? And apparently they make the highest like percent, like the highest rate. So I'm trying to like push my monetization so that I can get
Looking for a man in finance.
Yeah.
6'5".
Yeah. I mean, like I posted my YouTube channel for like my losses for the year and everything too. I hope it just heats up a little bit, but I basically showed like full transparency of how much I lost in the past 4 years. Yeah, and then
What's the traction like right now?
the traffic, I got 9 views off of it and 2 likes. One of the likes is my own, of course, but hey, our YouTube algorithm needs to know, man. Right?
That's jokes.
And then my title was I blew $36,000 in prop firms, learn from my mistakes! Exclamation mark. And then my subtitle is New Prop Firm Traders, don't make this costly mistake, and that's what I put.
Very clickbaity.
Yeah, obviously with the help of the Chat GPT to find the clickbait thumbnails and titles. Let's go. Yeah. Using AI to my maximum capability. No, the max capabilities of it. Look how like dense this 1 minute is.
I know.
Yeah.
I keep thinking it's gonna run to the downside, but
it might, but it's right now not looking like that.
Yeah.
No. Okay, I'm gonna try one mini here.
We live to trade another day.
Yeah. I was looking at my 150K account, and basically like the statistics on all my trades over like the whole 2-week period, and I only used 3 to 5 micros on like each of the days, and then maybe like one time where I used like 10 micros. But 70% of my profit to 80% of my profit off of like each of those days was just based on micros, like three to 5 micros, and anything above that, 10 to 15 and stuff like that, was like only 20% of my trades, only 20% of my profits.
Interesting.
Yeah.
It's always good to keep those stats and just know what the hell is going on.
Yeah. I had to check it over, man. It's just stupid.
No, that's why I'm happy I pulled my stats, because it's good to know. Like, you gotta know.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you don't know what the fuck is going on.
No.
You can't make adjustments.
No, you can't. You can't journal shit. You can't do anything, really. Yeah, this is looking like a uptrend now. So this right here, I think we could retrace back to 590s here.
That's where I've got my TP.
Yeah, 590s. If it breaks above the 560s here, it should be able to return. We got 6 minutes left as well. So 6 minutes left before the 45-minute candle closes, and it's going to close on a red candle, by the way. Potentially. Unless we open over 570s, it can close green. So 570s is when it closes green.
True.
Yeah. So 570s is a key level, and we'll see how they fight it off for the 45-minute chart here. 6 minutes to do that. Where are you long?
It's also 6 minutes is IB as well. I'm long from 43.
43?
Yeah.
That's a good position. Yeah, that's like the breakout level. Your stop loss, like how many micros you use?
5.
5. Okay, yeah. So your stop should be.
Stops at like new low day, basically.
Yep, that's right.
507, but.
No, technically 511 should not hit. 511 should not hit.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's
just a few points to wiggle.
So we got about 5 minutes left here, and the 15-minute candle looks like it's about to close green in 5 minutes, and also looks like the resistance or the support is 537.50s. So 537.50s, it should not retrace 537.50s here. It could for a pullback and shit, but it shouldn't. It shouldn't.
I'm such a bitch, dude. On the 5 minute, I took the 3-bar reversal at 10:10.
Yeah.
And killed it early, and it held. Like, the stop loss held.
Yeah, it did. No, I feel like that right there with the 10:10 entry, like, it could have gone both ways, man. Like, for real, like, you really don't know with that type of trend here. Like this specific one actually does look bearish. So
yeah, but
I wouldn't be surprised if you sold it, right? But what time frame did you take it on?
5 minute.
Yeah, what the fuck? It should be fine. Yeah. Wait.
I'm gonna hold it like 1-to-1, basically.
Oh, because of the pullback, the big pullback, right?
Yeah, like the next bar, basically.
Yeah.
I was only a few points from my stop.
Yeah. I did that yesterday with my Apex accounts. Yeah, I did the same shit. I kept on fucking wiggling around with my stop loss, and then basically I stopped myself out for a loss, but it wouldn't have ever hit my stop loss. So
Exactly.
yeah, and I fucking blew up those accounts like multiple times over, even though I had the right trade idea, which is
Bro, you gotta stop doing that.
Yo, Apex baiting me, Mo. Like I don't know what it is with those. They bait me with that shit, man.
Call your fucking credit card and be like, do not let me purchase anything from this company anymore.
But I rack up cash back, bro. The cash back, man.
Still not profitable.
It's okay. My Rogers bill hasn't been, I haven't paid for a Rogers bill for like a decade, bro.
Yeah, but I bet you're spending more on Apex than you would on Rogers, so.
Yeah, it's been more on Apex than I've ever spent on anything in my life. Yo, dude, I looked at the stat sheet too on my Google Sheets afterwards, and I kid you not, like, Apex is the only reason why I'm not profitable. Like,
yeah, good stuff. Yo, let me call you back 1 sec.
All good. That's so funny. This is gonna break, man, for sure. I'll be back again. All right. Looks like to me, profit target hit there, right? That was a perfect fucking trade. This is a very psychological setup. 64 points, risking about 15.5. And most people's entry position would actually be right here, right above this level. So because it closed above, we wait for the pullback into this balance, and basically this is the risk to reward. You're risking 24.75 points for 54 or 50 points here. So either one, you could scale out if you had micros on this, because we're kind of like pushing into resistance, like a really heavy one around this level. And they could definitely bait that, pull it back into this range, and then eventually break out. But this is a really big drawdown after you're already up so much on the trade. So yep. Looks like the 45-minute candle closed green again. That to me feels like a very bullish outlook, and we could potentially break the highs here on this next candle. So oh shit. We got an order at 600s as well, so there's a level at 600s here. You took profit?
No. I did not.
Oof.
That's fine. I'm still in the money on this.
This close was strong, but I don't know about this pullback here. Heavy manipulation. I think this could run some stops here, maybe, if this is a complete engulfing.
Let's see. Can we get it? Come on, give me my half out. Come on. Come on. All right, half out for a nice $150. Fuck you, cats. Stop.
Cats are jumping around. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely. I'm thinking of adopting, man. I want to adopt so bad. Yeah, yeah. But the problem is that my place is like freezing, dude. So.
You not have heat?
Yeah, I don't like honestly, bro. Like my place is like one of these older buildings, so it doesn't have like proper insulation, and they have mega large windows. Yeah, so I basically freeze to death.
Okay. Lovely.
Yeah, and they have central AC, but the central AC is weak because the windows are so big, right? Yeah, and I'm talking about like, bro, like it's like
Cats are resilient, man.
yo, it's like 5 meter window.
Yeah, I have fucking 5 doors in my apartment.
Shut
And
up.
they do not insulate very well.
No, they don't. They don't.
Hey, you actually gotta come over to my place sometime.
Huh?
You gotta come to my place sometime.
Yeah. I'll pop by. I'll pop by.
My girlfriend's working now, so if you want to come downtown, we can do a trade session one of these days in the morning.
Yeah, I'm down for that. This morning? Nah. It's too late. Yeah. When? When? What do you think? When? When? Thursday? Yo, yeah.
No, I'm meeting up with my dad tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
And I'm showing him how I'm trying to get. He works in finance. He does like corporate level account management.
Oh.
So it's like covered calls. Yeah.
Yeah. We should open our own prop firm, bro.
I actually thought about it.
Yeah, no, I've been thinking about it too. You know what we would call it? Potluck X. Yeah. We call it pop step.
Honestly, I think I would do like coaching before I did my own prop.
Yeah.
Just like run a live stream, maybe offer like one-on-one coaching to 20 people or something.
Yeah, it's hard, man. Live stream game is tough.
It is.
Yeah, because I don't know how to grasp the viewers. You know, I suck at it.
You just gotta show up like every day and do like baby shit.
Yeah, start blowing up all my accounts, saying that I'm not profitable on YouTube, and just bring lots of viewers that way. Yeah, and I'm gonna start yelling at my screen and shit, just like Patrick, and not be composed and not what to do as a day trader.
Exactly.
Yeah, not what to do as a day trader. Start yelling at shit. This looks like it's gonna break out.
Yeah, it kind of does.
Yeah. I might go for it. We'll see what happens here.
Let's go. Pop the high. Pop the high.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for it.
We did. So we actually set IB low first. So the probability is we break IB high, which is currently 609. So that's my target. Yeah, I swear to God.
This is gonna hit my target actually. 590s. I think 590s is gonna hit here. It should be a pop here. A breakout of some sort because the 15-minute chart looks like it's about to run.
This is also right at 589 is yesterday's
Yeah.
If we come and close above it, that'll be bullish.
Yeah. I'm in a long right now off of this breakout here. I just closed my position by mistake. Fuck. Yeah. Fat finger. Whatever. My combine's up 1K right now.
Nice.
Yeah.
The 150K.
No, I bought the 50K.
Top step or trade or
Top step. Yeah.
50K is the way to go, man.
Yeah. I just, like I love the 150K because it like gives me the maneuverability. But then
Yeah.
I came to a conclusion that like if I'm going to trade with like 1 to 3 micros, I shouldn't hit my 2K drawdown at all.
Yeah.
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 That's like without a doubt, right? So, the reason why I had the 150K is yeah, no worries. All good, all good. Fat fingered that button. Damn it. Okay. This does look like it's about to break out though. And I want to take longs on it. But it's kind of too late. This is definitely a breakout. This is a 15-minute breakout. 45-minute chart looks like it's going to retrace the high here. We got a gap at 615.25s. So this right here is an entry criteria. We're in longs and we're looking for 1620s and above potentially. So 1620s is the goal on this price here. All right. And then the stop loss should be technically 1-to-1. So the low of this candle is 36.50s. But there is a key level right here at 3620s. I think we could probably push for 640s here, maybe. Yeah. Technically 624s, maybe. Sell side, like the buy side liquidity here. But yeah, another entry criteria right here at this level. Proper stop loss. This is the gap right here. We shouldn't close below this gap. If it's bullish, and probably like maybe like using 1 to 2 micros. I think 2 micros would be a good trade on this here. So you make $160 and you're risking about less than $80 here. Oh no, I'm tripping. $120. So $120 for $160. Or you can scale out 1 here and then try to push the remainder. Yeah, it's definitely looking like a really nice trade here. 15-minute does have a fair value gap here. So we need to break above that first of all. But it's looking so good. It's looking pretty good. Longs are looking pretty good right now. Right? There is a big order at 500s. It is literally the low of this candle here. So that's probably a stop loss. That might be a stop loss here on the order book. And it seems like the longs have a really good position for them to put a stop here. So that means that their risk reward is very high. So that means that they're looking at a wide range of 81.75 points. And they're trying to risk for high of the market here. So that's right here, 108 points. Yeah, market makers right now has a stop loss on 500s. That means they're willing to risk 81.75 points on this trade. Depending on where their average is, it's maybe down here. Right here somewhere, I think. Maybe the stop loss will get hit. Technically, my stop should be down here as well. And I'm going to risk for 100 points. Yeah. There it is. That's a very wide range, but I think that's the most likely scenario based on this breakout here. Really clean breakout on the 1 minute. 15 minute looks like it's pushing higher. It might break through this trend here. And then we got first target at 624s. So 624 target. Right, first target 624s. And then around 690s is potential today. They got orders at 650s, so there's one 650s, one 675s, and then one right above 87s here, which is actually exactly where the buy side liquidity is. There's also a buy side liquidity right here as well, around 624s. And there is no gaps on the 15-minute chart, which indicates that this is a clear trend to the upside if we do break 606s here. This guy, that's funny. That's jokes, man.
Top step engineering. We are not.
Bro, you got so much cat hair on that. Damn, man. That's the only problem, man. If I get a cat, dude. Yeah, you like this is a nice sweater, man. How's the top step one? Is it like?
Pretty good. The only thing, like, sometimes I rock hoodies without a t-shirt, and the embroidery on the inside,
Yeah.
like, scratches your skin a little.
Oh.
I love it. It's like face inside. It's actually nice.
Oh yeah, I have that too.
The hood isn't like pointy.
Oh, like this.
No, that one's fine. That
Yeah.
one's fine. This one's like even rounder though.
Is it like what's the fabric? It's like a soft touch.
Yeah, that's soft.
I love sweaters, man. I love them. I like Abercrombie and Finch. I think it's called Finch or Abercrombie and Finch. Yeah. I like their sweaters, man. They have soft sweaters.
Yo, Abercrombie was actually
Abercrombie.
Have you ever looked at their stock?
No, I haven't. Let's take a look.
From 2023, it went from $22 to $195 in 2024.
Damn. What the hell?
Another one of those croc stories.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I would have never thought of that. Yeah. That's why I gotta start buying clothing brands, man. Like look at Lululemon, bro.
Is it about, bro?
It went from 240 in August to 420, which and then also in another time where
fucking kill myself, bro. I bought it June 10th, 2024 for $320.
yeah.
And sold it at a loss at like 250, 260.
You sold it right at the bottom.
Yeah.
Holy shit, bro. Oh my god. That's alright. That's the pain.
That's alright. I bought Tesla at 179. So
yeah, that's good.
That's fine.
That's
It worked out in
perfect.
the end.
Yeah. No, it's just our long term. About Solano. Solana. Solana, I meant to say. I want them to burn, bro. And also Adobe, bro. Adobe is a good one right now. Adobe is definitely there. Microsoft is dumping. I don't want to look at stocks right now. Fuck. Done trading stocks, bro. Sometimes, for real.
I actually think trading stocks is way easier than futures.
Like Costco.
Like a simple buy the dip strategy on uptrending stocks is
ideal.
Really fucking easy, yeah. Dude, why is IB is not breaking? What the fuck?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
What do you say? Are we going to go down to 500s or are we going up? Honestly, Nico, I would say, well, I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. I'll be real with you, but 15-minute close is strong on that, right? 15-minute close is strong. I like that engulfing. They bounced off the 13 moving average several times, so they're clearly defending this moving average. I think we end up filling this gap here, which is above 605. If it breaks above 605, I think we might just fill the highs, like straight up, like auto fill the highs. Only downside is that there's a lot of wicks, which indicates the fuck. Yeah, which indicates yeah.
Are you live streaming right now?
Yeah, I am. Yeah. I have one of my buddies that always comes by, like he's from Germany. He always comes by to say hey. So. But, yeah, I'm happy. When I have people come to my stream and stuff, it's nice, man. It's actually nice. So.
You just gotta get like a 6-figure prop payout, and then people show up to your live stream.
Yeah, but then no, there's no value behind that. You know, it's just like these guys are coming by because they want to see the money be made for themselves. You know. Yeah. It's a lot of pressure, but yeah. What are your thoughts on 690s here today?
690.
Yeah.
Far away.
Yeah, I think it's possible.
We gotta break IB first, so we're fucking rejecting it right now.
I think it'll happen, bro. I think 690s might happen. Right now, whoa, look at that trap, maybe. So I think it has to break above 606.50s. If it does, then we got 624s as a target, and then 690s. Yeah, 650s for sure, and then 690s, yeah.
I'm long one from 580s.
Yeah. This was a pullback dip buy, eh?
Yeah.
Definitely.
It's just very probable that IB high gets broken.
Very probable, for sure. I think I have a target on 624s as the initial buy side, and then anything above that is no man's land.
You need a trading buddy, man. That's it. Look.
Good morning, Kutan. How are you? How are you, bro? What's new with you, man? You see my most recent video? That's good, man. That's good.
Yo.
What?
This is how you get viewers on the live stream. Trading cats.
Trading cats. Viewers on the live stream. Meow, meow, meow. What the fuck? Yeah, that cat's cute, man. Not much, man. Kutan. I am. Oh yeah, no. My most recent video was actually like full disclosure of like how much money I lost in the past 4 years. That's what it was.
That's good. People like that kind of shit.
Yeah.
You should get on X, man.
X?
Get on X.
That sounds like a drug. What's that?
Twitter.
Oh, Twitter, yeah.
X.
The tweets, bro.
Also, yeah, X the drug. Hell of a drug, man.
Yeah, the X, man. Huge drugs. Why did I ask? Why did you ask about the recent video? Oh no, I was just wondering because like it was like it's been a few days since like I've seen you, so that's why. I thought you saw the video or something like that, and then you just popped by afterwards.
Crazy fucking Muhammad blows through these XFAs.
Muhammad's crazy, bro.
Bro, he just rinses.
Yeah.
Hey, stop.
He makes a lot of money though, like off of those XFAs, but he keeps blowing it up. So I never understand it.
He never gets to live, yeah.
Like I don't understand his process. Like last time I saw, he was up like 5 grand on the day with his XFA, and he just blew through it. And I was just like, what the fuck? Yeah, no, and he was trading live. Like he was on like Top Step TV, and he rinsed through 5 grand on the XFA, and then blew it up the same day on live. Like
All the process, man.
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe he's just like trying to grow the account until it's like more than that, like 10K, so that he has like a good buffer. But
it's just like he doesn't adjust his risk.
what's
Like,
going on, Kevin? What's good? What's good? Yo, I got like 3 people in my chat right now, man. I'm popping off. That's funny, man.
Yo, I actually thought about doing like monetization on X, like getting X premium.
You could do monetizations on X. I didn't know that.
Yeah. And you can like live stream on X. Like Top Step TV was on X. They were live streaming on X and YouTube.
Yeah. Yo, do you want to join my live stream sometime?
Sure.
Yeah.
I'll do it right now if you want.
Yeah. I don't know how to like set it up and everything, so I gotta like work out the kinks on it. But
Oh, like join on it.
yeah.
Yeah, it's like swing by the YouTube. Well, I'll swing by the YouTube and give
No,
you
no,
like.
I'm actually talking about joining on it. You know, like
Yeah.
doing that shit that we were talking about before.
What's your user though?
It's just trading with men. Yeah.
Trading with men.
Yeah.
Live.
This guy said OnlyFans. I'm gonna make my own OnlyFans, man. That's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be called Trading with Men OnlyFans. Oh, here it is. James Dobson. What's up? What's up? I'm crying.
Yeah, let's get an IB high break here. Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah, I've taken some trades, man. I've actually taken these ones specifically down here. I'll show you.
Probably time to feed them actually. How about we do that? All right, bud. Feeding time.
Executions. So the trades that I took were these ones. I originally had longs here of 539s. I held it through this drawdown. I had my stop loss right here, and you know I'm actively trying to trade reasonably, so I'm not like trying to fuck around anymore. Because this week, man, I was just last week and this week, man, I was just blowing accounts left and right, like honestly, and I needed to like come to a realization. I need to size down, right? So one of my biggest issues was not actually respecting my stop losses, and then not respecting my size management, and I kept on blowing up my accounts because of that. So this time around, I'm kind of like working on the kinks of having to jump in and jump out, you know, just to get my XFA to begin with. But then after I get my XFA, I'm gonna like size down even more. So I'm gonna look to use only like 1 to 2 micros. So that's my goal. Actually, this month, because I was looking back at all like my trading history and all the above, and I just found that like it was like I was really consistent, but I just kept on fucking up and hitting my drawdown because of size. Yeah, XFAs and everything. Yeah. Yeah.
You just put yourself on mute. Can you hear me when I'm doing that?
Yeah, I can. No, I just put myself on mute. My name is Min. Yeah, dude, like you love my introductions, right? Yeah. Got lots going on, you know. We're gonna make our own trading floor, just like Patrick Whelan, man. It's gonna be called the LDH, you know.
I spell tasing, like tasing something.
It's like TA. I swear that it's S, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Looking at YM, eh? Kevin, let's take a look at what you got going on with YM. Kevin, YM is bullish, but this right here is resistance. This right here is resistance, Kevin. That is resistance. Right here. This could come above, could come below, but and you probably want a better average technically, right around like 44.75s. But this is definitely looking like a double top of some sort here. And perhaps NASDAQ will follow with that. Yeah, I think NASDAQ is following the double top, bro. Oh, the XFA is the Express account with TopStep. That's what XFA stands for. Express funded account. So they call it XFA.
I'm gonna put stop buy for 2NQ right at that double top for the break of
stop buys, right? Yeah. For buys, right? Yeah.
What is that? It's like 4 points. 4 points. 4 times 20 times 2. It's $160 as a runner.
Yeah. You got like 3 minutes left until the 15-minute closes, and it looks like we're rejecting this gap again of the 600s. So there's a possibility that we fade here. And then on top of that, like YM is looking like a double top too. Be interesting to see a pullback here.
Fucking choppy day.
It's okay. Yeah, the prop firm charge is $49 US. $49 US with TopStep, and then once you pass the account, it's like another 200 or $149. So you pay $200 US in total. Which, you know, if you blow it up and then you fund it, like if you get the 49, you pass the combine, you fund it, and then blow it up, then it's gonna cost you $200. But like, to be realistic, every time you do pass an account, though, it's like you have a 2,000 drawdown, and then it's like your potential on getting a payout is like unlimited, right? So unlimited. Looks like this 15-minute is 1 minute candle. Like they're closing inside the gap now on the 15-minute. So that to me looks kind of bullish, right?
It looks like it wants to crack IB.
Yeah, it does. It does. Yeah. Even the 45-minute candle, if it closes at 11, we got 15 minutes, right? Right now, this 15-minute is closing inside the gap. In the next 1 minute here. Oh. So the 15-minute just closed red inside the gap. The challenge isn't that hard. Like it really isn't that hard. You just have to be like very conservative, right, with your trading. So yeah, like I pass my accounts like probably 50 to 60% of the time, and then afterwards I have an XFA and I just work with it, right? But you know, also having your personal account is definitely nice too, because it's like whatever dollar that you earn on the day, you get to keep like immediately. But on the XFA, it's like you have to trade for like a certain amount of time for you to get paid. But it's still pretty good though, because you get paid in US dollars. So the conversion is really high. Right? And then you don't have to worry about ever like getting rinsed by like news candles and stuff like that when you're jumping in. So they have good proper stop limits and all that. So if you jump into like a buy limit order, it automatically adjusts your stops and your profits. It's easy to drag around for some prop firms, of course, but not all of them. Yeah, you can trade SPY. It's kind of like ES. So ES is like the equivalence of SPY. And you could trade with either regular contracts or the MES, which is the smaller portion. And then basically just scale in your trades along the way. So a lot of people make quite a bit of money doing this. But you know, I'm not there yet, so. Yeah, it's better to sit on your hands, Kevin. Because like, look at the 15-minute chart. It's like a lot of really fucking big wicks. So that means that the range is pretty wide here. Even the 45-minute close is a 45-minute candle with a big wick on the upside and the downside. That indicates that the range is now at about 500. So 21 500s and 21 612s is the range for the 45-minute chart. I think your stops are about to get triggered, right, James?
Yeah, I'm 4 points out.
Yeah, the buys look good now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope it breaks out. Honestly, I hope it just breaks out. Yeah.
That'd be nice.
Yeah. The 15-minute, the 45-minute looks like it's about to run. So, Kutan, don't buy FTMO. Their spreads are really big.
That's fine.
Yeah, and they're expensive too.
They're expensive, but they're very reputable.
Yeah.
They also just bought a Wanda.
Oh, they bought a Wanda.
Yeah. Just yesterday.
I mean, like, it's kind of a lot of money though, right? Like, wouldn't you rather like fund your account with like $1,500 instead of fucking paying $1,000 for FTMO? Like, it just doesn't make sense to me, you know.
But there's no activation fee, right? So it's...
Yeah, I'm in longs here. I just bought the breakout just like you. Let's try it out.
2.5 NQ.
Yeah. I got my stops at below this candle here. At 576.50s, and hopefully this continues here. This might be a runner. I'm looking for $470 on this trade. So 630s, I'd say. I'd say 630s, yeah. This wick hasn't been broken above yet, 613.50s, but I think with this breakout, we could get that touch, right? Unless this is a fucking fake breakout, I'd fucking slap myself. You know?
That's crazy.
Yeah. I'd slap myself with this one. I like the buying pressure though. There's volume. There's an increased volume, which indicates accumulation, right? Yep, increased accumulation. This is a buying candle. They were accumulating at 1042 candle already, and now they're accumulating more at 1102. So this has a good probability of a breakout.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna jump in one more here, just because we're pulling back into the fair value gap here on the breakout. And then I'm going to try to push for a move higher on this trade. So retest of the 13 moving average. I got my stops at 576 and I just jumped in one more. So I'm in longs here. And I'm going to look for, I only need 470 on this trade. So technically this is all I need. And the range is about 612.50, so I think I'm in a good place. We should get a push up, honestly, right?
Yeah, if we don't get it here, that's...
They just retested the fair value gap and then they just pushed higher on the 1 minute. So I think we do get something here. Like a higher move of some sort, at least like 10 points above the range. So I got really good fill right now, bro, at 599s. And basically I just, oh bro, don't do that.
You get it out?
No, I didn't. They just missed it by a tick. That's so annoying, bro. No. And then it goes back up. Yeah.
Did you close it manually or did you leave it?
I closed it.
Nah, you're probably gonna retest there.
Yeah, I know. I think I screwed up on that one. That one got me a little emotional, but That one
okay.
got me. That one got me a little bit, man. Like that little tick there got me. How did I missed it by like less than a tick, bro. Like 0.01 tick. Like it touched it and it bounced off of it. Like I don't. Stupid.
I'm actually gonna take a short from there, from IBI.
Yeah. It's just a weird bounce off that tick, bro. You're taking a short now?
I'm about to get subbed out.
Yeah. 620s is a target for sure. Anything above 620s is a target. I think 620s to 630s. Because they're gonna crack this high. They always crack the high first on the large wicks and then kind of play around there before dumping it. So oh yeah, Kevin. I bought daytraders.com, bro. Yeah. I bought this one. Daytraders trailing. It's for $11 basically. And there's like a discount code with it, so yeah, I think we're gonna try to jump back in here, bro. Yeah, they just did a nice retest of the previous breakout, and then they're kind of cracking it higher here. They're trying to like fight it inside the range here, but I think they're gonna squeeze it, man. They're gonna squeeze it. Yeah, good. They're gonna squeeze it, my guy. Squeeze. Palantir, bro. You know that Palantir ran to $107, bro?
What?
Yeah, $107, man.
Bro, I was trading that at 14.
I was trading this at 24.
That's
and,
hilarious.
Yeah, I was even saying that this was going to be a long-term portfolio, and
that gap though.
Yeah.
NQ is running too.
Yeah. I jumped out too early. Yeah. But 620, 630s here, and then now they're just running it. Yeah. They're looking to fill it probably at 690s now. Yeah.
Yesterday's point of control is 650 and settlement is 670.
Alright, so we got multiple retest levels at 680, 690s. They just broke it out. They just sweep the buy side liquidity here. So 624s is the buy side liquidity. Now, what are the chances that we go higher? It's really high chance, bro.
Bro, I just gotta follow my fucking strategy instead of doing this bullshit.
Yeah. Where to touch here?
This could be one of those IB breaks where it was like a consolidation, choppy IB, and then the breakout is clean as fuck. Let's see. You might just run it up to the 50s. 30 points.
Let's see. Big 40s is autofill here. Yeah, it does look like it's going to keep going, man. They broke it up like above the other gap too at 625s.
Yeah.
625s, 75s is the gap, and if they close it above that in literally 4 minutes, this is gonna fill the highs for sure. 692s, 690s coming today. 4 minutes, man. That 45-minute candle hasn't closed red once, man. It just keeps going.
Keeps on running.
Yeah, it doesn't stop. It actually doesn't stop.
Give it to me. Yeah, All right, stay out of this 1 minute fair value gap, and we could have a clean upside move.
Yeah.
Close it. I don't like that as much.
Oh, that fucking sweep. They just filled the other. This is a fair value gap. I'm just gonna lock my account out, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I'm at 1200, so it's like I don't.
Nice.
Yeah, no point forcing myself, right? So that's it for that account. Have a good one, Kutan. Thanks for coming by, man. I'll see you around, man. Enjoy your day, by the way. Yeah, it's nice outside today, man. Super nice. Very sunny. This guy's Canadian too, by the way. The Kutan guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's from Oshawa.
Oshawa.
Yeah. My buddy James is also Canadian, man. He's from Toronto. From Top Step TV. So, yeah. We're all from Toronto, man. That was a nice pullback.
That was a wick test, and
yep,
we'll see if we get the confirmation of IB high here.
Yeah.
Stop is 590. I'm in an NQ from 96.
Okay, if it, stop loss maybe 586.50s. That's like the most. I don't think it should sweep under that. Help each other grow. Yeah, I look for growth in trading. That's for sure. Yeah, I just want to be a good trader, man. I don't really think about anything else other than that. Yeah. Okay, they got a gap at 617s. That's gonna get retested first, I think, before we pull back further.
Yeah. I want to see that fair value from 19 to 15 fail 1 minute.
Yeah. I want to see this push back up. I feel like that's a deep pullback on purpose. Or move higher. We got 1 minute left here. They just closed, like, that's a shitty close, man. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah. Well, the 5 minute just closed inside of IB, which is not
ideal. And also, 45-minute just closed underneath the previous liquidity zone. Yeah, the 45-minute closed below the 623s. It's like it closed at 602, 601s, which is lower than the overnight session at 608s. So 608s is supposed to be the overnight session, 45-minute. Yeah. So I think there's a possibility for a pullback, maybe. And I would say like the pullback range is probably up to 570s here. So about 30 points lower.
You haven't re-engaged with IB yet. You like broke above, broke back below it, and haven't done anything for a while.
Oh, I have a fucking walkout. Oh my god. I was gonna take a limit sell at 617s.
617.
Yeah,
it could be good. Okay. Yeah. Maybe the shorts.
I wouldn't. Not just yet. Maybe. Okay, yeah. So your stops got hit for sure. So that means other people's stops got hit. Look at 569.50s here. And maybe even like into 563s. 563s. This is a pretty strong selling candle. So 563s maybe here. 563s. I'd say. But they might push it back up first. Yeah, they just closed below the fair value gap as well. Yeah, 563s. 563s maybe.
That could be a target down to IB low potentially. That's like a clean rejection of IB high.
Staircase down maybe?
I'm thinking.
Yeah, I think 63s here, man. This looks like a good pullback right here into the 63 zone. There's a fair value gap in 63s, that's why.
I'm gonna wait for the close.
There it is, 63s is coming. Just need to wick under that right here. 60, I would say under 66.50s is a wick retest. 66.50s.
This could be. Let's see. That could have been a stop hunt too.
Yeah.
Or longs.
That low of the wick just got tapped, man. Just like sniper entry.
Yeah.
Sniper entry.
Let's see. I have I'm in short from like here, 580s.
580s?
I'm gonna add more if we move up a little bit with the stop above IB high and a target of IB low. I think we get a double break today.
We're in a chopping range too, so that's another thing.
Yeah, but you can tell the movement. Like since we broke out of IB, the flush has been much different than the action before. You know what I mean?
Yeah. But I feel like this flush is an overreaction. It's an overreaction. Yeah.
I think it might be a failed upside auction.
I'm looking at the 45-minute chart as well, and this is like a new candle that we're forming, right? So 12 p.m. is going to be the close on the new candle, but the fair value gap is at 581. So if it breaks above 581, it might be just a fair value gap retest.
Maybe, yeah. Well, this would be a 3-bar reversal for me anyway. The question is, should I take it long or should I take it short? I want to say short, to be honest.
I think it's going to retest higher before shorts.
Think so?
Yeah. I think maybe potentially 597's retest. So they're going to wick out some people here first, around 563s maybe. And then, let me just double check that. 563s. Okay, so it just wicked 566.50s. Let's see how they play it off here, because that's a bit of a high risk play. The market's been trending up all night, right?
Trending down.
Trending. No, it's been since 5 o'clock, right? It's been trending up until now. So this is just looking like a 66.50 retest of the gap, and then
Google's down 8.5%.
Google.
Amazon's down 2.5%. Tesla's down. Nvidia is the only thing holding this market up.
Yeah, AMD is going up too. So I think we get macro level bounce here.
That might have been a failed upside auction for Nvidia as well.
So yeah, like it's interesting how they wicked the gap perfectly at 566.50s. Right?
True.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Did you switch?
I didn't switch, but I covered to get a better entry higher up, and it like dumped on me.
Oh.
Fine. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna chill. Might have just been a test. I think we still get a better entry.
Oh, this could fall. 3 minute. Looking at the 3 minute. 550s possible. 3 minutes, 550s possible. Yeah. 3 minute chart, 550s is possible here. Okay, you see how it's flushing now?
Yeah.
550s, man. Key level around 550s. 555s to 550s.
If we can crack.
But for real though, around that range, I'd probably go long. Around 550, 555s for sure. If it gets to that level, I'd be a long trader. That seems like a perfect retest. 550s. Yeah, that would be a perfect long retest.
So we're bouncing off of the VWAP there. Let's come up.
My VWAP's at 545s, 550s.
Regular hour.
Yeah, regular hour.
It's 62. I literally went to the tick off of it.
Yeah. Still liquidity.
A little scalp long for me here.
Yeah, let's take a look at the hourly here. Head and shoulders pattern on the hourly, maybe. Perfect gap retest on the hourly as well. But there's no fair value gaps on the downside for the hourly. I'm gonna take a long down here.
A little long. Just looking for like not even 10 points.
Yeah, well, it's a good probability long. I think it could be 590, 595s here. Retest.
There we go. Come on, push it.
But they're gonna play around with you a little bit here because it's after our strong sell-off. So
I took it for $80. Fine. Sell 5. Original trade idea. Stop above IB. Fuck, I should have held that long. I would have gotten my TP on it. That's fine. That's fine. I want to dump like right here. This is a break of 5 minute structure. There we go. We're selling.
okay, I'm thinking
Shorts, baby. Shorts.
yeah, I'm on a practice account right now, so
Don't think about it. Just short down to 501.
I kind of doubt it, man. For some reason, we've been trending up all night, bro, since 5, right?
Not gonna lie, it is a low probability.
Short. If anything, I prefer to be a short seller when it retests 615s here, or 613s. I'd rather be a short seller above the range here. So I think 610s first, and then afterwards 610s or 615s before becoming a short seller. Yeah. Because this is the ranging market. We've been chopping upside, right? Not downside. So
let's see how we react with the value area low from yesterday.
it should be a big swing here. 615s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck. Fuck.
Fucking Mo. Alright.
Dude, that long was so nice off of VWAP.
I could probably see it here. Watch for 616s, bro. This shit's gonna fucking fly for some reason. Shit's gonna go. Wait for a pullback maybe and then jump in.
I mean, looking at that, the 650s could be in play.
See, it looks like that double top played out, right, Kevin? On YM. There's a double top right there. I knew that there was like a level here specifically for the shorts. But we could break above the range here. I don't know why I have a fucking key level here. What the hell? Yeah. Here. If the longs break here, Kevin, I think we could push towards 44,826s. Definitely be careful right now today.
What is ripping this market higher, man? It's not Nvidia. It's Apple and Microsoft.
Yeah, Apple's probably it.
Oh, and Broadcom.
And AMD as well, right? Another sleeper is AVGO, man. You know AVGO?
Yeah, Broadcom.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There it is. So 615s here. I'm feeling it. This is the buy side liquidity, so it might pull back here, but
I'm gonna take a quick short off of IB high, just for maybe like 5 points or so. Just a little pullback.
Yeah, YM is breaking out potentially too, so YM might break out here. I'd be a long trader in YM probably. Risking 1 for this high here.
Fuck, we're juicing. I'm getting FOMO.
Alright. I would not jump in either side here.
I just want one fucking red 1 minute candle to get in on this.
Okay. I'm in some shorts here. And the target is 592.50s probably. Hopefully. Yeah. I don't know. It kind of just seems like a double top here maybe, but 15-minute just closed strong too, so it's kind of annoying to try to fade the trend here.
Yeah, I'm long. I think we go up to 650s now. If we hold IB high here.
I think YM is going to continue higher, right? So YM is going higher for sure. I think high of this day here. YM. Stop loss just low here on YM. So that's going to make up for it.
I think we could get tilty to the upside here and blow off some shorts.
Yeah. They could.
Target is 650, potentially 670. back his loss. Let's go.
Mo is so jokes, bro.
Come on. Let's rinse them. Rinse the shorts.
$609 area would be a good long entry. Maybe 609, 610, 609s. So making money both sides on YM too. Nice breakout. This is the most out risk actually. Blah 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 blah, bro. Blah 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 blah.
Come on, juice it. Juice it. Show me the lungs. Yeah. Fuck.
Yeah, it's I don't think it's a double top though. I think it will break out. It just needs to pull back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm long from 621. And if I can get up to the 670s, we'll be cooking.
Yeah. Alright, so
That'll be half past combine.
there it is. It just cooked the highs here, so that looks like autofill maybe.
No, fuck off.
What happened?
I took it in my practice, not the. That is so irksome.
Actually, you know what? I'll close out this one. I'll just look at the YM one. I think YM is a very clean trade.
I'd agree with that.
It's cleaner than NASDAQ. That's what I think. But that's on my practice account, so.
Dude, I can't fucking believe I did that. We're about $400 right now. That's fine. Whatever. Ask me if I'm salty.
Are you salty?
Fuck that.
Yeah, I'd be salty too, man.
Whatever. I'm in the green right now. I blew up a combine just there, but I reset.
Yeah, at least they're like not expensive or anything, but yeah, bro. I don't know, like 6 micros maybe.
I'm going big. I have high conviction.
Yeah. But how'd you do, Kevin?
Hey, up 250 in the personal today.
I don't know why AMD keeps going higher. I think Adobe is the only thing that I'm hoping.
People want to buy it.
Yeah. You know, it's interesting how crypto took such a big hit. Apparently, crypto like dropped to 91K, bro. Yeah, it literally dropped to 91K, then it jumped back up to 101.
I'm actually starting to get super skeptical about crypto in the sense that why is it actually worth anything beyond the fact that people give it value?
You don't.
You know what I mean?
See you tomorrow, Kevin. Thank you for coming by, man. Appreciate seeing you, bro. I'll see you around on the Discord. And enjoy your day, too.
Come on. Give me the 53. Wow. I'm gonna kill myself.
Let's take a look here.
Okay, fuck it. 680 on the books. $680 on the books. That's over here.
It's like 11:40. What are you gonna do for the rest of your day?
I'm going to grab a coffee with a friend from high school at 1.
1?
And got some showings in the evening.
Oh.
You?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna go to the gym. Yeah, like in an. Huh? Yeah, I need to get swole, bro. I actually kind of gained a little bit of weight. So, yeah. Vietnamese, man. Vietnamese food is very fattening. So it's like you gain calories so quickly when you eat Vietnamese food.
Saw this TikTok, and it's this Asian guy, and he's working out. He's like, "You want to be a fat fuck?"
The fuck?
It's like a motivational video, but it's fucking hilarious.
Don't be a fat fuck.
What he was saying was such an Asian accent. Yeah, it was jokes.
My favorite guy on the internet is Ronnie Uncle Roger, but yeah, Ronnie Chang, bro.
I don't even know what that is.
Ronnie Chang, you know, like the guy from Chi.
Also, don't know what that is.
No, like the Marvel movie Crazy Rich Asians. You ever watch Crazy Rich Asians?
No, I listened to the audiobook. I never saw that. Oh no, I did see the movie. I think.
He's on Megan as well. He's on Shang-Chi, the Legend of the Iron Fist or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Guy's my favorite, man. And then I also like that other comedian. He played on got a round head.
Is it Bobby Lee?
Bobby Lee might be. Bobby
That's
Lee.
from SNL.
Okay, that's not like that's Bobby Lee though, but what's that other Asian guy? His name is Chang as well. Chan.
That's great. Fuck. I missed my limit buy by like 4 ticks at 6:36.
Jimmy O Yang.
Jimmy O Yang. I know that guy. Yeah.
Yeah.
One of my friends really likes him too.
Gotta be with my kind, you know.
Racist man.
No, it's not racist. What the fuck?
That's racist against white
Oh. I don't get it. Yeah, 680s is coming, bro. Like I don't even doubt that at this point. Like you can just see it coming right there.
I've got 670s. 670s is settlement, so
Yeah.
that's my TV right now.
I'll be back when I watch.
Alright. We're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. What was I gonna say?
I think I'm gonna let my YM trade ride out, bro. Thing's gonna hit $1,185, probably.
Oh yeah, dude. NQ 30-minute, 14 green candles in a row.
Bro, that's what I've been saying with the 45-minute. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles in a row. 45-minute candle. Yeah.
Blow off top.
I don't think so, but definitely buy side. Look at the 45-minute candle right now for the trading view on NQ, and look to your left on the overnight session.
Hold on, I gotta watch this. Like $500 away from half past combine. Keep going. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Come on, come on. Max position size right now. Come on.
That means your entry is like 55s, right?
52.
Yeah.
52 with the stop below the wick on the 1 minute there.
Yeah.
And then targeting 69s.
Oh, 69. Yeah, it's gonna come. No problem. Yeah.
Alright. 12, 15.
My fiance is always like, man, like, why do you always use the number 69 in like all your usernames? And I'm like, because that's what they gave me. It's like I didn't even ask for that, you know? Like my
That
fucking
was the token one.
my take profit trader is Minley 69. I laughed my ass off. I was like, okay, so yeah. And then yesterday we had like a premonition basically. Like we saw the number 69 like 10 times. I was like, okay. It means something. It means this year is all about wealth. Because we're in an infinite loop. Infinite loop, you know, like
Hey, half past combine.
nice.
Dude. What? That's horseshit. Look at this.
You're gonna show me like $2 off.
Profit factor 1200. Average win 212 to 1.
Yeah.
250 to $1.20.
Oh. You got killed by commission,
No,
bro.
no, because I don't actually have a losing trade. This is a 250 win.
Yeah, true.
You know, so
Yeah.
unless
That's okay. Scammed is scammed. Yeah. Look at that 45-minute, bro.
hey,
All right.
go post this on Twitter.
Wait, you said that Twitter provides monetizations. That's actually crazy to me. Is it a
you
lie?
You have to pay for YouTube or actual premium,
Yeah.
but yeah, you get like a ton of monetization. Dr. Syed Sibet Hassan just followed me. Fuck yeah.
On where?
X.
Nice.
I'm at 315 followers. Not bad.
Yeah, my Instagram's got 45.
45 followers?
Yeah. Yeah.
Popular, my guy.
Most of them are bots. Uh, on Twitter, you can make 15K per month. So that means Elon Musk is just generating bank.
Yeah.
All right. I think I'm good, man. I think I'm done for the day.
I gotta jump in the shower.
Yeah, I need to go chill out for a little bit or something and be happy with what I got today. I know for a fact though we gotta size down. You know when we hit those accounts. Nothing more than 2 micros, bro. Keep the account live. Right.
I know.
For real.
Honestly, it's not even that. I think I'm okay giving myself variations in trade size, but what I have to stick to is the daily loss, the daily profit, and the trade limits, like the number of trades. Forcing to be more selective about the trades, and
But it also might be like another factor to it where your process becomes less lenient when you take losses from bigger trade size. You kind of like lose yourself in a way.
that's true. Okay,
Yeah.
another thing that I'll add is you're ripping. What the fuck?
Yeah.
It's crazy. I told you. We'll break that IB high. Yeehaw. Up almost 300 in the personal. That's yesterday's high now. Jeez. No default. Oh, fuck that.
My YM trade's about to hit too. Perfect 1-to-1 risk reward on YM.
Nice.
Yeah, 79 points for 63 points, basically.
Well, yeah, I gotta fucking hell.
Okay, so it looks like Nasdaq just broke out. Man, that was just a fucking easy read though, for real. Like there was not a single candle on the 40. You know what I noticed with the 45-minute candle, like opposed to the 31, because the 31 will always close a red candle sometimes, but 45-minute when you see more than like 5 candles, it's instantly green the whole day. I don't know what is up with that, but it does happen. That's a wild squeeze, bro.
Yeah,
That's a mega squeeze, man. I don't even know what to say.
ultra.
Look at that, dude. This thing did not ride below the. It hit my profit target, so I just closed out 1 for 1 on this YM trade. Didn't even do anything. Yeah. You see, like if I just followed my process on like, like actually buying like proper breakouts and using a proper stop loss.
So trading properly.
Yeah, like look at this shit, man. I'll show you. Crazy. Like look at that.
Yeah.
Right? Just like I instantly bought that breakout. Like it's just like literally a clean breakout.
My entry was the 3-bar reversal on the 5 minute at 6:21.
For down here, right? 621.
Dude, I gotta fucking
Work on that? Yeah. Me too, man.
It's actually so. What I'm working on, or with, I guess, whatever you want to call it. Dude, my entry was baller. I bought the open in my personal today. What's it called? Yeah, so a 3-bar reversal, right? So you either get a 3-bar reversal where the high is respected and it is actually a reversal, or it's failed and the high is broken, right? So what I want to do is the 3-bar reversal failure in a continuation. And so based off of, dude, that's fucked. Did you see the big board on Top Step?
What is it?
Kevin G is now number 1. Since 2025, his account is now at 600K. Since the beginning of 2025.
Yeah, but he's XFA, no?
Live. Well, XFA transferred to live.
But he doesn't actually get to keep that income.
Yeah, he does.
He does?
Once you're in a live, you can take full payout.
No, I'm talking about the 600K though. Like the 600K on his live account. Like they don't transfer the whole 600K, right?
Yeah.
From XFA over to like your live.
So the only cap is, I guess, 250 because I don't think they allow you to have more than 50K per XFA.
Yeah.
Even if you exceed that, the max balance you can get transferred to live is $250,000.
So what the fuck do you do with the rest of the 400K?
But actually, no, that's not possible because when they put him on for the first time yesterday, he was already in the 5s.
The 5 XFAs, right? Yeah. So it's like and on top of that, like haven't they restricted like the payout process to 5K max per account?
Yeah, only in XFA stuff.
Yeah, so if he even completed like 30 days, he doesn't get to really get all of that anyways.
You do. So when they move you to live, you can take a 50% payout if you want.
Oh.
Balance.
It's still kind of weird to me, that like the whole process behind like having to get a payout after you get switched to live. Like I don't really understand it and why they put a cap on the accounts when.
Well, think about like the way I think about it is a trader in an XFA is a liability to Top Step.
Yeah.
Because the money that you make, they're gonna have to pay you out of combine fees. Whereas if you're a live trader, their max loss is like slippage plus your account balance, right?
Yeah.
Or the daily loss on the account. So I don't know. What am I even looking at here?
Yo, look at this fucking 1 minute fair value gap retrace. It's fucking like right inside the gap. And then like literally it just pivoted.
On the 1 minute?
Yeah. Like right before that pump, right? And then I was just like looking at it and I was thinking like, you know what? Like that sell off was so dramatic. It was way too dramatic. That's what I call a dramatic sell off. But on the 13 moving average, on the 15-minute chart, it did not break below or close below that the whole day. From 7 a.m. until right now, it hasn't closed below 13 moving average. And then on top of that, it closed like about from the low of this to there, about 20 points above the 13 moving average, which that to me indicates that they're riding a lower moving average, which is 9 moving average, meaning that the buyers are strong. So they were riding the 9 moving average all day today on the 15-minute chart. That's what I like about the moving averages, man. If we're riding above it this tightly, it's almost like guaranteed that it's going to swing off.
Interesting.
But I didn't expect this last breakout here where it just ran. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I didn't expect it to run that much in one move. Right? Yeah, that's it for me, bro. I'm gonna go out and enjoy the sun, touch grass.
Yeah, me too.
I'm gonna go touch some grass.
Peace out.
Alright.
Be safe.
Yeah, you too, man.
Talk to you later.
Take care.
Probably
Take
can't call tomorrow because I'm going to be trading with my dad.
care. Yeah, I hope he enjoys the trading process. He's gonna buy you some combines, right? Is that why you're You sure? Yeah. Like, hey dad, can you buy me a combine? Oh yeah, sure, I can do that for you. 150K? Oh yeah, no problem. Boom.
If you want, you can come over Friday morning this week. You want to trade?
Yeah, I'm done. Friday morning.
Yeah, this Friday.
Yeah, it should be good. Should be good, yeah. I'll bring my laptop.
Alright.
I'll try my best not to trade on my laptop because, you know.
Well, I've got my TV here, and
Yeah.
if you have an HDMI on your laptop, you can hook it up to the TV, and then I can trade from my desk. If you want.
Yeah. Okay, I could do that. You could do that.
A trading lab? This is the new fucking HQ, man.
HQ, yeah. I'm gonna open your windows and be like, hey. It's not that cold up here. What are you talking about? Alright, I'll see you later, man. I'll see you Friday. Alright, calling it a day there. I'm done basically. I traded on my practice account, traded on my actual account, so I'm gonna definitely pass those probably. I don't want to say definitely, so I just want to be more conservative about that, but I hit a 1-to-1 trade, right, on my practice account, and this one was pretty straightforward. We also mentioned the double top on this, and the reason why is because we had multiple levels of resistances at this price, so that's why the double top played out. They had a clean breakout of these resistances, which is why I went long here, and then basically risking 1-to-1. So that was my trade process with YM today. On the NASDAQ, I just wanted to mention a few points here that basically since the 5 a.m. open, we were just constantly pushing up to the upside and, had no downdraft at all. We did have some downdraft trades and such, but this right here was the confirmation right when we got these two big volume candles right here on the sell side. This was actually used as liquidity for the buy side, especially when they weren't able to break it below. And then right around here, we saw that nice little basically buyers holding the price for the next 5 candles, indicating that buyers are strong. So all we had to do is wait for the confirmation for the buyers to actually break out of this specific trend, and then going from there, you could have gone long off of this breakout, going long towards the buy side liquidity, which is about 70 points, risking the low at 33.75s, or you can actually try to push it towards the high of the market, which is the buy side liquidity. Another good thing is that we had a lot of overnight consolidation to the downside, so as expected, you get overnight consolidation back to the upside. But yeah, so that was the process. We didn't break below the 13 moving average on the 15-minute chart all day, and on top of that, we also closed about 20 points above each of these candles, 20 to 30 points for each of these candles, which indicates to me that we're actually riding a lower moving average, indicating that we have very strong buyers. So that was the process that I had today. And even on the 45-minute chart, just to really show it, 45-minute chart, didn't close red one time right over here. So on the 45-minute chart, you can see that we didn't close red this whole move on the right here, all the way up, just right here. So there it is. Didn't close red once in this. We had 3 fair value gaps, one at 523s, and basically we closed above it, which is another entry criteria for longs, into the next fair value gap, which is around 50s, 50 points up above the range with a risk of 50 points below the range. And then we had another fair value gap in this level where we can take longs if we stayed above it, risking above the next fair value gap for about the same price. Or we can actually just go for buy side liquidity, which was actually just at the high of this candle at 692s. So that was actually the process all day. And yeah, I think it was particularly easy considering that we only moved up the whole time. There was a couple levels of chop and everything, but that was definitely manageable. As long as you were using the right size and just basically waiting for the setup to come to you, then trading it comes easy basically. And then there was also a lot of like 1 minute fair value gaps in play as well. So for example, one of them would be after this big sell off, we had one fair value gap in play right there. And this was the trading range. And usually you would actually retest this level here within this range. Just right over here, we would retest that and then consider taking a short entry all the way back down towards the next fair value gap on the downside, which is actually around 455s. But then we can also see that a lot of the gaps were actually getting filled all the way up to the market. So I'm not sure, like specifically this, I would say that because we were in a consolidation, a very tight consolidation for such a long time, the probability, especially after this big pump here, this big bull pump, trapping all the sellers in this range, and on top of that, all the sellers in these 2 candles, right when we broke above that level of 564 of 75s, this was actually considered as a inverse fair value gap in play. And what we wanted to do was find a long entry back into the 50% of this fair value gap. So right over here, if I actually remove everything else other than the 50% mark, this right there was a perfect example of a 1-to-1 50% retrace of the fair value gap right here. And then your long entry would just be right here somewhere in this level, and then jumping out for longs towards high of 65 points. And that would be it. So this is how you would get into a long entry here on the 1 minute. And then you would also have a really nice potential long entry just down in the lows here, considering the fact that we had strong sellers. We also had a very nice key level here on the weekly, which is around 516s. So 516 was also a key level just on the 15-minute chart and on the weekly charts. And there was just so much of the setup actually showing itself on larger time frames, lots of confluences on the fair value gaps, a lot of great opportunities today for sure. There was also a fair value gap just right at this level here as well. As you can see, the market pushed above into the buy side liquidity, trapped a bunch of longs here, used them as liquidity, stopped them all out. Potentially, technically our stop loss would be at 560s. Your entry would be 50% of the fair value gap on the 1 minute here, and then risking for the next buy side liquidity, which is 605 or the high of the market on this move. So we would actually look at the entry right here and then push towards here, 42.50s, risking at the next low, which is 18 points, or you can actually just go for the buy side liquidity, which is 70 points. But if you use the larger time frame on the 45-minute chart, we'll be able to see that there's actually more key confluences of fair value gaps above the range, which statistically the 45-minute chart has a 74% win rate on all the trades. So the fact that we played right into that and it worked out, that just goes to show that a 74% win rate on a larger time frame implies also smaller time frames. So smaller time frame probability of taking the inverse fair value gaps is also high, right? So that's what I did today, and that's how I ended up, hitting 1.2K on the here right over here on the combine, and then also hitting $750 on two separate occasions with the daytraders.com deal. So, anyways, thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope I see everyone else tomorrow. Yeah, enjoy your day. I'm going to the gym, so that's why I don't want to trade all day, obviously, but yeah, nice day for sure. Yeah, definitely nice day for inverse fair value gaps. But yeah, anyways, Nico, enjoy your day, man. Appreciate you coming by, and everyone else that came by very last minute.